What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Sorry about the little delay, with Hurricane Floyd and, stuff going on in my life. Family first, hobby second. So, had to take a little break for a minute, but I'm back. I'm behind on so many videos, it's not even funny. This is the first one up. It's going to snowball after that with just a whole bunch. I'm probably going to be double uploading every day. Well, not every day, but double uploading. The poll is still up for the giveaway. The next video, I'm probably going to take it down after this one. So the next video will probably have a link to be able to enter the giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel to be able to win. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and follow me on social media. That way, because I'm going to have the link over there as well. So, if you're not watching YouTube as much or whatever else, if you're on social media more, then go ahead and follow me over there so you'll at least be able to get the link and be able to put in for that drawing. So, jump into it. This I've been waiting for a minute. I didn't get lucky enough to get it for retail. I ended up getting it on StockX a few days after they dropped. I have his first one. Missed his second one because a lot of people missed the second one. It really wasn't that good. But when I saw this one, I just had to have it. And it's going to be the first of this model for me, so I'm really excited. So let's jump into it. And I'm going to open this box with this fake little SIM card that I bought off of this guy on eBay. Here's his name. Don't buy anything from him. This is supposed to be a 128 gigabyte micro SD card made for a cell phone, like a really fast one. He said he was based in Texas. His channel said he was based in Texas, but this came from China. He speaks Chinese clearly from what he's messaged me. This thing freezes up my phone, freezes up my wife's phone, and when I got a hold of SanDisk to see if they could replace it, because he's been playing games with me, they said it was fake, and they're investigating him now. So, I don't care about it anymore. I'm just going to go ahead and open this box with it. It does look real, though. It's crazy. Even the packaging was real. It's insane what these duplicate products can do, but at least it does one thing good. It opened that box very well. That was very smooth. Wow, this thing's almost like a knife. That's crazy. He needs to repackage all these things as knives or cutting implements or something like that. Right back to the car accident. Oh, now this box is pristine, just like StockX is known for. Look at the side of this box. This thing looks so awesome. It's so smooth. I love how that just like reflects Nike across the top of it. Size 12 as usual. These are the Skepta Nike Air Max Deluxes. Yeah, boy. Wow. There's a receipt as always. Here's a little StockX sticker. Here is the paper. That is cool. Paper's got like static on it, just like the box does. That's really cool. And the shoes. Wow. Wow. I am speechless. Speechless. Look at that shoe right there. Get the other one out. Anything else in here? Take a look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. When it comes to Nikes, typically every time I open the box, I expect there's to be something wrong with it, some minor defect, anything like that. These look absolutely amazing. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just put together so beautifully. Oh, there's no glue overlapping. There's no like messed up stitching. Everything looks so good. Like I said, these are the Nike Air Max Deluxes. The upper is dressed in a full black neoprene, so it is waterproof or beer proof or whatever else, because if you're going to be wearing these on tour, you kind of need there to be a little bit of something liquid proof. It has a static print that is meant to he kind of got inspiration for that from the video, or the VHS tape static from his music video "That's Not Me," and that is also where this date apparently comes from. It says 12:05 p.m. June 8th, I believe, 2014. That's the day that he released his single, "That's Not Me." So it kind of goes hand in hand with it. And if you look on the inside, it has "Never Sleep on Tour." And that just goes, for his drive and everything else, kind of how his work ethic is. This sneaker is a reinterpretation of the 1999 Air Max Deluxe, which was known for its crazy uppers and like crazy wild prints on its uppers. And this one's finished off with a little bit of red down in that air bubble right there. I love the way this looks. It kind of looks like it has metal on it. And for some reason, this right here reminds me of like some Star Trek emblem or something. It's crazy looking. And just like usual, the inside is, you guys probably can't see that. I'll take a picture of it. The inside is also red on the insole, and it's got his typical SK Air printed on the insole. And to finish it all off, gunmetal colored lace tips. I think that might be like a hard plastic or a metal or something. Now, this is the third collab to release between Skepta and Nike. The first one is one of my absolute favorites, and I can't remember who I bought this from. I think it was, I'm not going to even say it. I'm going to look it up. This is his name right here. Shout out to him. Shout out to homeboy. Make sure you go check him out. This is his first one right here. This is one of my favorites. The Nike, or Skepta Nike Air Max 97 UL, I believe. This is one of my favorites right here. Right after this one came out, this one dropped in 2017. This one was based on the pair of 1999 Air Tune Maxes in the same colorway. But right after these dropped, I wore these for a few weeks straight. I still wear them all the time, and people comment on them like crazy. The iridescent colorway, the pink and the green shift and everything, you just can't go wrong with it. Now the second pair is a Air Max 97 BW hybrid. A lot of people passed on it. I know I did, because it was all white and it had a transitioning kind of blue and red colorway. So one shoe would have like red down here, the other one would have blue down there, red and blue swoosh. I didn't really like it. I mean, and it was all white, so not really my style. Then you got the third one, and this one dropped soon after. I think that one was like 5 months ago or 4 months ago that the white one dropped. And the cool thing is that I just noticed on these, the inside of these is super like furry. I don't know what that is. I'm going to try to focus on it. You see what I'm talking about? It looks like the inside of the Justin Timberlake Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3, the Bio Beiges. It's kind of like the inside of that. It's kind of real furry. This will definitely keep your foot warm. Now let's go put this on foot. I want to see what this looks like. This is, if it looks anything like they do online, it's going to be amazing. It was definitely amazing. Feels comfortable. These are true to size, if not slightly bigger. I was really scared when I ordered these because in the first ones, I think I got an 11 and a half. And there's, no, I got a 12 in those. Yeah, I got a 12 and they were a little snug. But yet you get the Sean Witherspoons and those are, I got an 11 and a half and they fit perfect. So depends on the model. So I was a little bit nervous about getting a 12 in these, but they fit perfect with a little bit of room to spare. So I guess that's what you get with like the third or fourth iteration of a particular model. I'm not saying base Skepta, I'm just saying like Air Max 97, Air Max Deluxe. So now Skepta is a UK grime artist. He's also a rapper, a songwriter, a producer, and he's a music video director. His real name is Joseph Jr. I'm going to have a problem pronouncing his last name. Adenuga. Yeah, it's right here. I'm not good with those crazy names. And he was born in 1982. He released his debut album, which was called Greatest Hits, in 2007, and followed it up with his second album, which was called Microphone Champion, something like that, in 2009. Skepta actually has a younger brother who's a well-known grime artist as well, and his name is JME. He's been in the game total since like 2003, like emceeing, doing parties, stuff like that. I really didn't know who he was, to be honest with you, because I'm American. Before I got the first ones, but when I got the first ones, I checked out some of his music. It's not bad. I can see why it didn't really jump off here. It could probably be part of the rave scene or something, but it's still a little too aggressive. But I mean, it could pick up here, but you know, Americans, we're kind of stubborn when it comes to the British. I like them though; they're cool. Dig the accents if you watch. So I don't know, I treat everybody equally. Now, here's a little known fact for fans or whatever else. He's Nigerian, even though he's born in the UK. So in April 4th, 2018, he was installed as a chief in his hometown in Nigeria. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the town. It's something state. It's right here. That's pretty cool. So he's an official chief of his hometown. That's pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Click out that link at the bottom right below here so you can go to the poll and tell me what you want. This is the last time you'll be able to do it. Next time you'll be entering for it, so tell me what you want. Otherwise, you gotta get some like some Prestos or some Power Fades. No, I'm just kidding. But you'll get something good either way. But just tell me what you guys would prefer down below. There's a 10% off coupon for sole trees and sole protectors. If you want to keep everything clean and crispy. So go ahead and use that if you want to. I don't get anything from it. I'm just here to help you all out. Make sure to follow me on my social media. And that way, you can find out videos before they come out. You get little hints on things like shoes dropping, sneaker news, whatever. Like random stuff. I don't flood you with things though, so don't have to worry about that. And yeah, did you guys cop these shoes? If you did, how do you like them? I love them. They look amazing. They were probably gonna be another daily wearer. Well, maybe not. Special occasion kind of thing. These things are cool. I'm gonna keep that daily wear to my other ones and my Ultra Boost, but. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about them and if you enjoy them. And yeah, these are wider released, so if you want them, go pick them up. They're out there. I was even able to cop them for retail after the fact, and I still waited like 5 minutes. They're still there, but they're sold out now. So you can get them pretty cheap though. I got them for fairly cheap. So yeah, make sure to do all that stuff. I hope all of y'all were safe through the hurricane. Everything flooded here. Check this video out. I've got video footage of like a quarter mile from my house. It was crazy. 15 feet of water. It was insane. And that's exactly why I took that time off. So, yeah, y'all be safe. For people that were affected, hearts out for you. In my prayers. I will catch y'all on the next one. Be safe. Have a good one. Peace.